What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Down B2 Bad, aka Deanna Nicole, and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, I am coming to you with a part 2 of the Sparkle braids. And on my first video, I have been getting a lot of feedback about the Sparkle braids. People in Atlanta, people outside of Atlanta. So you guys, I came up with this great solution. Why not make a sparkle braid crochet braid? A sparkle crochet braid, y'all. So yes, I will be selling these on my website, so anybody could pre-order and install these into your hair yourself. Or if you have a particular hairstylist, you can have your hairstylist put these sparkle braids into your hair. So yes, you guys, I'm super excited to present this to you all. As far as the pre-order, I'm going to take, you can do custom. I'm going to have custom options, mid-back options, and waist length options. And also, the shipping process will take 3 to 10 business days because I am hand doing these, you guys. So I'm doing these by hand. So just y'all be patient with me because I just want to give y'all the best of the best, you guys. And yes, I am so excited that I'm able to just, you know, give this to the people and let y'all do y'all thing with y'all crochet braids, the style you want, the colors you want. So I'm super duper excited to be presenting this to you. So this video is going to show you how I hand make these sparkle crochet braids, and I want y'all to stay to the very end so y'all can see how it looks. It's just so fly, y'all. Like I said, y'all gonna be shimmering everywhere. So yes, you guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna put some more videos out, y'all, because I want y'all to stay tuned. And y'all just stay in tune to my website. Make sure y'all go enroll and put your email, sign your emails up, because I'm bringing the heat, you guys. I'm bringing the heat. So yes, I would love y'all. I will talk to y'all soon, and enjoy this video.